Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot pork roast with mushrooms and beer sauce. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Instant Pot, and this is going to be a real quick and easy recipe. I'm going to take a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to get that down in there. And guys, we're sick in our house. I have a sinus infection and Holly has pneumonia. We're both on antibiotics. Now I'm going to add a pack of onion soup mix in here. That's why I didn't do a video on Thursday. I just wasn't feeling up to it. So quick and easy is the way to go right now. Now I'm going to take that soup can and I'm going to fill that with root beer soda. And I'm going to dump this down in here. Let me give my can a stir to loosen up our soup in there. And you just want to mix this together. And guys, the sweetness of the root beer is going to go really well with pork. And I'm using regular root beer, I'm not using diet. Okay, now I have a 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms. I'm going to dump these in there, and we're going to have to sneak these by Eric, guys. So he'll just be getting pork. He won't be getting any of the sauce. And I have a pork roast here. This here is, let me get it unwrapped, guys. This here is roughly 2 pounds. Now, if I would have known they were that small when I ordered them, I probably would have gotten 2. Let me get a knife to open this. But this is fine because we always have leftovers, guys, and a lot of times they go to waste. I'm going to get this down in that root beer sauce. Going to nestle it down in there, and I'm going to spoon a little bit of that sauce over top of the pork roast. Now what I'm going to do, guys, and I'm going to do this off camera because I need to wash my hands. I'm going to put my lid on here, seal it, and set it to pressure cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'll let it do a natural release of the pressure for 5 minutes, and then I'll release the rest of the pressure manually. Alright guys, this just came out of the pressure cooker. It's ready to go. It actually took 50 minutes. I took it out, cut it up, put a little bit of mushrooms and sauce on it. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some potato stuffing and peas to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. What, Dexter? Pork is nice and tender, juicy, well seasoned. Pick up the sweetness from that root beer. We get that onion soup mix. And the earthiness from mushrooms. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot pork roast with mushrooms and beer sauce. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.